Saudi Arabia is reportedly in talks to buy over 100 KAAN fighter jets from Turkey. Turkish Aerospace Industries KAAN is reportedly one of the top-tier fifth-generation stealth fighter jets. However, there has been no official confirmation from Saudi Arabia or Turkey. The reported defense deal comes after Saudi bought 60 Baykar AKINCI drones from Turkey for $3.1 billion in 2023. The combat drones are reportedly set to be delivered in 2025-2026. KAAN is powered by two engines, and the all-weather multirole fighter jet can be used in air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes and electronic warfare. It can achieve a top speed of 1.8 Mach and reach a maximum altitude of 55,000 feet. The KAAN is 21 meters or 69 feet long and has a wingspan of 14 meters or 46 feet. The operational range of the KAAN fighter is projected to be around 1,200 nautical miles or 2,222 kilometers without refueling. KAAN boasts of radar evading technology and is equipped with active electronically scanned array radar for precision strikes. ESA is a sophisticated computer-controlled multi-directional scanner system that can radiate multiple radio waves at different frequencies at the same time. Military aviation website The Aviationist reported that the Turkish KAAN jets will initially be powered by two General Electric F110GE129 engines and will be replaced with indigenous engines in the future to give it supercruise capability. The website quoted the Turkish media as saying that without the new engines, KAAN cannot be considered a full-fledged fifth-generation fighter, but only as a Generation 4.75. That would put it a step above the Eurofighter Typhoon but still below the American F-35. Saudi Arabia has been eyeing the F-35s for a while but has not managed to strike a deal with the US so far.